This machine is designed for coating candies like gummies, chewing gum, and chocolates with oil, sugar, or a sugar coating. It's typically used in conjunction with candy production lines. The core component is a rotating disc made of 304 stainless steel, driven by a high-performance motor. Pipes feed materials such as oil and granulated sugar into the machine. The entire operation is controlled via a button or touchscreen panel, allowing you to set parameters like rotation speed and material feed rate. The disc features a side opening for easy unloading of coated candies, making the process efficient and user-friendly. This is how this device works.